Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn off the table header. You can see that column 1, column 2, column 3 director. The table header can be turned off by using this simple option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the table header on your Microsoft Excel web or PC on your computer. So first of all, select the table. First of all, create the table. If you are just creating the table, you will see an option called header on the top. So you can see this is the header. Column 1, column 2, this is called header. So I just want to close this header. I just want to remove or hide this header. Just click on the table and you click inside the table. You can see there is option by near the draw. You can call table design. Click on this, and here you will see an option called header row. The table state option. In table state option, you will see an option called header row. It's clicked. You just want to untick this, which will hide the header on your table inside the Microsoft Excel web on your computer. This is how you just turn off or hide the header row on your Microsoft table, Excel table on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.